Understanding preliminary steps in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard but may not be completely sure about: preliminary steps. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and give you examples to help you understand it fully. So, let's get started. Preliminary steps is a phrase used to describe the initial actions or measures taken at the beginning of a process or project. These are the first things you do before getting into the main part of the activity. Imagine these steps as the foundation of a building. They are necessary to support everything that comes after. The word preliminary itself means proceeding or done in preparation for something more important. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In cooking, the preliminary steps might include gathering all your ingredients, measuring them, and preheating the oven. 2. In writing an essay, the preliminary steps involve choosing a topic, doing some research, and creating an outline. 3. In science experiments, these steps could be setting up your equipment, wearing safety gear, and reviewing your experimental procedure. In each case, these steps are crucial for the successful completion of the main task. Now, let's practice using preliminary steps in sentences. Before painting the room, the preliminary steps included covering the furniture and taping the edges. The coach outlined the preliminary steps of the training program to the new athletes. Completing the preliminary steps carefully can save time and effort in the long run. Notice how the phrase is used to emphasize the importance of the initial phase of different activities. That's all for today on preliminary steps. Remember, these are the crucial first steps that set the stage for everything that follows. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.